Alright, well, I'm headed off on another adventure. Kind of an impromptu. I was supposed to bike part of the Ohio Erie Canal, but it was going to rain for 3 days, so nixed that and decided to throw together a route. It's about 140, 150 miles. I'm going to do it over 3 days, 2 nights. Here on the Illinois border, just north of Freeport, and I'm going to be taking the Jane Addams Trail up into Wisconsin, where it joins the Sugar River, and then the Military Ridge. And I'm going to follow the Wisconsin, I think it's like the Cheese Trail, which is bikeable, but it's also ATV trail, so I'm going to kind of follow it. I think I'm only going to be on it for about 3 miles, because I imagine it's going to be full of ATVs on a Saturday. So yeah, should be nice. It's raining all week, and it was very hot, and today it's going to be like in the 60s, along with the next 2 days as well. So should be excellent riding. Be stealth camping somewhere along the Military Ridge Trail. I haven't decided there yet, so we'll see. But yeah, should be a very exciting trip. Glad to be out. Been trying to plan some stuff for the summer, but really, with everything going on in the world, not really seeing that come to fruition. So I'm doing this little local trip, and just to get out. Yeah, fully. I'm going to be fully self-supported too. I've got all my food for all the days. The only thing I'm probably going to have to stop for, I know I'm going to have to stop for, is water. But that really should be it. I got everything I need. Alright, that's it for the Jane Addams Trail. That road right there is the state line. So once I cross that, looks like it becomes the Badger Trail. Well, I was only in Illinois for a couple miles, and now I'll be in Wisconsin on the Badger Trail. I think I forgot to mention, but I started in Orangeville, Illinois, at one of the trailheads there. I think the trail goes all the way down to Freeport, the Jane Addams Trail. This one goes to almost to Madison. So far so good. It's nice, overcast, cool. There is a headwind, but I mean, I'm on the trail going slow anyway. Ran through some muddy sections, but overall it's not bad. Just went through the town of Monroe, Wisconsin, famous for their Limburger cheese, which I have tried once. I won't try it again. Yeah, so I'm just cruising along, about 13 and a half miles into it. Just slow going. First big ride of the year, and of course I'm loaded up, so just enjoying myself. It's gorgeous. Alright, so here's a map of the trail system here. Alright, so here's where I started. Went through Monroe. This is the Badger Trail. This other trail off to the other side is the Sugar River Trail. I'm going to go through a tunnel, which is kind of cool. Then I'm going to go up to here where it pretty much ends and hop over to the Military Ridge State Trail and head over this way. Stealth camp somewhere over there. Not sure where yet. Well, I reached the tunnel, or I guess the section that the tunnel's on, and ran into a bit of a snafu. I didn't see this anywhere on any site when I checked it, but apparently it's closed. See, there's a fence up there. Not sure why, but hopefully it's just this section. So I'm gonna see, figure out what I'm gonna do. Take a look at the map and see. I know it's really hilly around here, so I kind of want to avoid any of that if possible. But I'm gonna take a look at Google Maps and see what I can do. Well, I am now in the tunnel. Probably can't even see me because the GoPro's really bad and dark. But it's got a bend to it so you can't see the end. It's kind of cool. Looks like they're possibly restoring an old railroad depot. I think I'm in the town of Bellevue. There's a lot of limestone around here, so a lot of things are built with it. Including this cool old building here. I guess this is the old village hall. It's erected in 1894. Alright, so I'm stopped at the Wisconsin Brewing Company for a little bit to have a beer. It's kind of relaxed, felt good to sit down. They got everything opened up outside, and just kind of sat in the Adirondack chair and relaxed. Felt good. I got about 18 miles left, so I'm gonna hit the road. It's about 5 o'clock. Should time at about when the sun's going down, so we'll see. Find a place to camp and yeah, make some dinner and whatever. I got about four miles left. on the road, and then it's back on the trail. I'll be on the Military Ridge Trail. So I'm gonna take off now. So after the Badger Trail, I was on the road for, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 miles, but I didn't film anything because it was 4 o'clock on a Friday, and it was just rush hour, just car after car after car. There was plenty of shoulder. It was a good 3 or 4 feet, but it was just, I had to stop. It just, it was just insane. Luckily I found my way to the brewery, and then was able to just relax. A really nice outdoor setup there. I just sat in an Adirondack chair and looked at the retention pond. I don't know, I was there maybe about an hour. So kind of squirming my way through Verona. Some of the side streets to get to the Military Ridge Trail. So should maybe be about 3 miles or so. Yeah, maybe 3 or 4 miles to catch up with the trail. The wind should start to die down. I guess it's been like 14 miles an hour from the northwest. It's been a lot of the direction I've been heading, so it's been tough going. I really feel it in my legs. I knew I'd be pushing it doing 58 miles in the first big trip with fully loaded, but you know what? I plan on taking the whole day since I'm stealth camping anyway, so yeah. Oh, this is some deep shit. Half pedal. Thank God for dry bags. That's a good question. I think it got up to about the hubs. Good luck. So I passed by this section of the Military Ridge Trail on the highway going by, and it always kind of looked like a desolate, just not fun place to ride, but it's actually kind of nice. It's going through like this wetland, prairie-ish area. It's surprisingly fun to ride. It's pretty well maintained through here too. Just overcast. I got the sun a little bit when I was at the brewery, but yeah, it's just been overcast. Not complaining at all. Whew. I am feeling it today. About maybe 1 mile away from Mount Horeb. And then pretty much anytime after that I'm gonna stealth camp. So just find a place to beat. Got let's see, 52 miles down. I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 more to go. So I just stop here at this little pavilion bathroom and kind of wash my face off. Feels good. But it's it's an uphill climb too, because I'm headed towards Blue Mounds, which is basically I think it's the highest point in Wisconsin. So it's at a railroad grade, so it's like 2% the whole time, but climbing and climbing and climbing. So definitely getting a workout today. I think sunset's about 8:30 and it is 7:20. So pretty good timing, I say. All right, well, I don't really need to stop for anything, so I'm gonna get going, pound through this town, and then find a place to camp.